That's
Joni.
Is it his birthday today, by the way?
Yeah. Joni and your hiccups.
Joni.
Get on the camera for Jamie to see.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi, Joni.
Hi.
That's Joan Therese Gautreaux.
Joni.
11 days old. Keep getting
Good to see you, Lou.
Yeah. Punch the air there. Get something going there, girl.
Hit it with your best shot. Fire away.
That's funny. She's dancing. Aunt Mary Claire would love it if she were dancing. I think she's dancing.
Louie.
Hit it with your best shot.
Oh.
Fire away. Oh, Joni.
So much to be excited about.
I think she might be a soccer player with those. You must have hurt your mommy's ribs. Yes, you must have. All that kicking. Remember you said she was active.
Oh, yeah? Absolutely. All the time, even under sleep.
Oh.
Good girl, Pancake.
Are you good?
Is she hungry, you think? Or is she...
Probably. Let me go wash my hands again.
Okay.
Keep on petting these beautiful dogs.
Oh, she's having some...
Never mind.
Oh. Bless you.
Josh says that Becky always sneezes twice.
Oh, 3 times.
Joni.
Joni.
Like she caught something in her throat.
Are you okay, Joni? You okay, Joni?
Oh.
What? What? Oh, what's the matter?
Yeah, what's the matter, little princess, huh?
Louie.
You're okay, honey.
All these people looking at me. What's going on?
Cross those eyes. Cross those eyes. Uh-oh, she's starting to make the hungry noises.
Aw.